look at why you should choose AWS for machine learning. Our mission is to take our rich experience and expertise with machine learning across Amazon and put it in the hands of all organizations, every developer, data scientist, and researcher. Said another way, we want to simplify machine learning. We want to make it easy for all developers to easily build intelligent applications. First, we provide the broadest and deepest set of machine learning and AI services for your business with unmatched flexibility. Second, we can accelerate your adoption of machine learning with Amazon SageMaker. Models that previously took customers months and specialized experience can now be built in weeks or even days. Third, AWS offers the most comprehensive cloud offering optimized for machine learning. With AWS, you get the most comprehensive capabilities to support your machine learning workloads, including an incredibly capable, reliable, secure, fully featured data lake, which is the deepest set of security and access control capabilities, the highest performing compute with robust analytics capabilities, and the broadest accreditations of any developer. AWS was named as the leader in Gartner's Infrastructure as a Service Magic Quadrant for the 9th consecutive year. Because of these reasons, more machine learning happens on AWS than anywhere else. Machine learning is happening in companies of every size and industry, from the largest enterprise through to the hottest startups. AWS has over twice the number of machine learning-based public references than any other provider, and over 85% of all TensorFlow projects in the cloud happen on AWS. At AWS, we see the machine learning stack as having three key layers. At the first layer is the frameworks and infrastructure for machine learning practitioners. In the second layer, the ML services that make it easy for any developer to get started and get deep with machine learning. And at the third layer, at the top of the stack, we serve developers and companies who want to add solution-oriented intelligence to their applications through an API call rather than developing and training their own models in Amazon SageMaker. And we have a lot of services in this area to do specific things like vision with recognition image and video. For example, tell me what's in this image, which celebrities are in this image, and is this image safe for work? Another example is speech, with our services like Poly and Transcribe. If you want to turn text into speech, we have Poly, and if you want to transcribe audio, we have Transcribe. And for text, with services like Translate, Comprehend, and Textract, if you want to translate text to different languages, we have Translate. And if you want to understand what's being said in those translated corpuses of text, you have Comprehend. And if you want to extract text from documents using OCR, you have Textract. Then you have the things which Amazon is relatively famous for: Alexa and chatbots with Lex, personalization, and forecasting. Customers have asked us to continue to consider adding services around areas where we have a lot of experience and data from our consumer business. Amazon Fraud Detector, a new fraud management service for detecting online identity and payment fraud in real time. No machine learning experience required. Amazon Code Guru, a new machine learning service to automate code reviews and identify your most expensive line of code. Contact Lens for Amazon Connect provides machine learning powered contact center analytics for Amazon Connect. And Kendra, a new service which reinvents enterprise search with machine learning.